Product type: vehicle light assembly. Package dimensions: 15. 748 cm LX6, 35 cm WX0, 254 cm H. Country of origin: Mexico. Package weight: 8.93 lbs. Constantly modernizing our powerful devices to meet the demands of the modern user. Premium aftermarket replacement parts for Ford and Lincoln vehicles, tested to provide performance and long life reliability. 2-year unlimited mileage warranty, labor included and no commercial exceptions. Top reviews from the United States. Fit front turn, parking light for 2010 F150. Good replacement for front turn signal and parking lamp on 2010 F150 STX. This was my second attempt for the correct harness after I realized I needed a specific pattern for the front lights versus the rear. Comes with heat shrink strips if soldering wires together. First used marine-grade heat shrink butt connectors. Wrapped completed work in electrical tape to match OEM look.